So we drop everything this evening to congratulate double sprint, double Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herah for finally winning another title outside of the Olympics. 10.95 was not a cracking time, and it was hardly a cracking field. He did enough to become Commonwealth 100 meters champion. But you know what I say? Winning this gold medal made me rate Elaine more. A lot of things happened to her over the past year. She defended her Olympic titles. Then she left her long-time training camp and long-time coach to be coached by her husband. She was lukewarm at the World Championships. People start say this and start say that. Elaine never dropped her shoulders. She never dropped her head. She jumped on a plane, went to England, while most of the top athletes opted out. And she was most professional and efficient in taking care of business. Me don't know about nobody else, but me have to give Elaine some more props on top of the props where she have already. And we know the people who don't like Elaine Thompson-Herah will say it's because Shelly and Sherika never did it, why she win. But so what? It's because the Maverick is on the telly right now. Why you watch?